got to put your client first, and it's your client's decision. Your client's going to listen to you, usually, but you always have to approach it from what's best for my client. And if they're not offering enough, if they're not offering full value for the case, then you need to go to trial.
How do you get an $82 million verdict with 100% liability on the trucking company?
We represented a union pipe fitter who was riding a motorcycle in Steubenville, Ohio, and was stopped at a red light, had inched out into traffic, and was going to make a left-hand turn across 2 lanes. As you know, left-hand turn cases are notoriously complicated and difficult cases. So to make the case much more complicated, the allegation was that our motorcycle driver was driving drunk.
That's what the defense is telling us, right?
The defense was absolutely making that argument, and they hired an expert witness who was going to say exactly that. It's a drunk driving incident, motorcycle driver caused the crash, period, point blank.
How do you guys overcome something like that? Because someone looks at that case, or hey, I got a left turn, already hard. Then you add alcohol to it, extremely hard. How do you get an $82 million verdict with 100% liability on the trucking company?
Yeah, so the truth is that our driver
Huddle up all the 15, 16 people over there on their side, and he comes back to me and he says, Sagi, I have an offer for you. I'm like, okay, what's the offer? He goes, I got you $4.1 million. I'm like,
they went up $100,000.
They went up $100,000. I'm like, are you kidding me? So we said, fine. I'm like, okay. The next day we come, we do closing arguments. They still wouldn't budge. Jury came back with $12,240,000.
Wow. And double what you guys were asking.
Yeah. And then we got paid, which was great. And it was great because it was against my old firm.